Hey, Trace, hope everyone is having a great day. Well, it's probably middle of the night for most people in the US that watch this. If you are watching it now, props to you for staying up late. I don't have stocks to trade up. The reason for that is it's saying there's server maintenance. That sometimes is also to do with my internet running too slow and it won't um, upload the data. Okay, so yesterday, no watch list video, no live trade video, no post trade analysis video. The reason for that is I had to get up at 2:30 for work. I have actually stayed up for market open before, but that means I get like 3 hours sleep at the best. So no, I've just been studying. I've been doing a lot of did buy stuff, a lot of video lessons, a lot of going over charts, drawing in support and resistance, just looking at a lot of did buys. So what I've got up here is Tim's watch list from yesterday. I don't believe he's got the next one up quite yet. And I apologize if I'm a little bit incoherent at times. I got up at 2:30 this morning, so it's I just thought I'd do this video just to touch base with everyone and let you know what I'm doing. It's looking like I will end the month down. I'll have to check that. It's gonna be a couple $100 down for the month. So, and that's on my $10,000 paper trading account using stocks to trade as well. So, okay, so I've got BSPM, and I'm just reverting to some of the stocks that were mentioned for the Monday session. So I would have probably been looking at that. So this one didn't really have much trading opportunity. It's been interesting, last week and this week that the mania has very much settled down with blockchain. Obviously, you've got issues with BitConnect, and there was a brokerage hacked or a server hacked or whatever it was with not with Bitcoin but with another cryptocurrency. I can't quite recall, but quite a lot of value of crypto was stolen. So Bitcoin's down a little bit. I mean, it is consolidating, but there's less volatility there. So, the blockchain stocks, the cryptocurrency stocks, well, the ones that are pivoting towards that are calming down a lot, and the weed plays are, settling as well. So Monday is normally not the craziest day anyway, so I didn't miss a lot. I'm not going to be at market open tonight again. I will try and trade the close of market. Didn't really look like there was any opportunity here on BSPM, so I'll open up LTBR. I don't know if I'd call this a watch list video. This is more like a recap because it's hard to do a watch list because so many things can change from now to close of market tomorrow for the people that are watching this. So, well, it will be tomorrow actually. Yeah, it will be tomorrow because it's 5 a.m. in the morning. It's market close for me in Perth, so I will be up. I'll be look, and LTBR really, there was Stephen Johnson does a good little recap on this short trade that he did earlier last week on the 26th on the Friday, and why his thesis was like that, and just with how many outstanding shares there were, and it was quite good to watch. So for the short sellers out there, I would strongly recommend that you check it out. Now I'm just going to open up my size as well. These guys had to play it. The blockchain pivot. Interesting how it sort of broke down past the previous close. I think it looks like there. So. And I did buy it. Like to finish the session, really just fizzled there, so that's not very encouraging. What I will check out is MGTI. MGTI recently had a little bit of news on John McAfee, the infamous John McAfee, leaving the company. They're only one-dimensional now. They're solely based on mining of Bitcoin. Maybe other cryptocurrencies, guys. I apologize if I'm not fundamentally 100% aware of the company, but it's interesting, very choppy. I'm definitely going to stay away from this. I wouldn't, what the problem with these guys is they've invested a lot of money into the mining of Bitcoin, and electricity costs a lot of money. So they were sort of bargaining on the price of Bitcoin going up. But they have locked everything in with how much it is going to cost, and I think they do have enough money. But yeah, this thing I see just doing a lot of this, and it doesn't have a great deal of volume, so it's just, yeah, that's just a bit of a side note with MGTI. ATOS, let's get that. I think that was another point of interest. I'm just going to title this, it's just a recap of Monday's session. And I'm just trying to look out for any missed opportunities. Let's panic down to 56. Well, there's a little bit of a dip by there, but I mean, I would have not really been there for that. I mean, I get up at 2:30 in the morning and I'm having breakfast and coffee, and it's a little bit strange because normally you might hold that for a while, and then later in the session it sort of panics, and then so no, I wouldn't have been there for that, to be honest. And what else is there? POTN. Let's get this one up. Closed at 74.4, down at 12.5% nearly. It's sort of offered again. I wouldn't be up for this. I normally trade the first hour of this session, and that's in my current situation that'd be max really. I probably would have stopped watching it after this. I didn't want to sort of do a dip. I can't quite recall where the support levels were. I don't know the stocks trade up, but yeah. So really, it's hard to say what's good and what's not right now. The hot sector play hasn't really come to fruition. The wheat stocks are a little bit uneventful. Who knows what the next thing might be? Blockchain might come back up. A few little hurdles to overcome though before that sort of occurs. I'm going to conclude this video now, guys. Thank you for watching. Just a bit of a recap and letting you know what I'm doing. If you haven't already, and if you're not on Profitly, check out Stock Girl on YouTube, and I did an interview with her about what it's like to be, I'm not a Tim Sykes Challenge student, but I'm taking the market prep course, which is, like the tier below, and I'm in penny stock silver, and I'm pretty frequent with the videos and everything like that. And I go over a few things, and if you're not with Tim Sykes at all with his, penny stock course, I encourage you to watch it. It's honest, and it's definitely not for everyone. Tim Sykes' teaching methods, but he gets it done. If you're willing to push yourself mentally, and especially in my time zone, and to the other Perth traders and East Coast traders in Australia, which probably even worse if they want to trade the market open, which is like 1:30 in the morning, then I strongly encourage you check the video out. It's a little bit long, it's like 18.5 minutes, but I talked a lot longer, so she has condensed it down quite a bit. So feel free, guys, to check it out, Stock Girl. I think I'll leave a link in the description section as well. Anyway, guys, bye for now, and good luck for later today.